Your iPhone shows a lot of screen time data and you want to delete it? Today, I will show you how to quickly remove screen time data on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. So open up your settings first and scroll down until the screen time section. And here, you will see this result about your screen time. You can tap to see all app and website activity and check for how long you have been on your phone. Now to delete this type of data, you're gonna scroll all the way down and find a red option, turn off app and website activity. Tap on that and screen time will no longer be reported and all limits and downtime settings will be turned off. So click on that option. And after a few seconds, this type of data will be deleted from your phone until you re-enable the option. And by the way, if you turned on lock for screen time settings, then to turn off your website activity, you are gonna enter the password for the screen time setting. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.